Where is my charger? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Welcome back, boys, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to stay consistent with the live streams now again, and yeah, so I currently have, wait, let me just get this in, yeah, that's right, lovely stuff. So yeah, how are you guys all doing? I'm gonna try and get the streams back active again, because you know, I've just been, I don't know, words, I've just been lazy. It's not good enough, so I'm getting back on it. Minimum streaming for an hour a day at least. That's what I'm gonna do. Might as well get some tunes on. I just don't want to get fucking copyrighted. That's the only thing. Just better not be copyright. Don't want it too loud either. Alright, nice. So obviously, you know, I'm not trading the early London session anymore. I trade the New York AM macro. So what that basically means is that I only trade in a certain 20-minute window during, like, from 9:50 New York local time to 10 past 10. So I need to basically, I just look at London, I mark out all the swing highs, all the swing lows that haven't been taken out yet, and they're obviously all certain points of liquidity. So during that macro zone, I look for price to respect one of those levels of liquidity, and then I want price to displace, and after I've had a displacement, it should leave a fair value gap, which is where I'll enter. So yeah. Oh. But I'll stream till around 9 o'clock today, and then I'll just get into the rhythm of things, and then I'll just be going every single day. So the P&L for this week is back to 0, as we do, and hopefully making a bit more, making some wins this week. Now the only annoying thing is that I have college Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, which all clash with AM macro. It's not great. United lost again, so that puts them further down. They may not even get Europe. We're at 57 points out of Newcastle. So they're 1 win ahead of us. Oh no, they're 1 win ahead. Wait, who have United? Oh shit. United need to, yeah, we need a draw from here. Wednesday's a big day, oh my god. Who have Tottenham got? Big on Man City, oh shit. So if Tottenham lose tomorrow, and then wait, what is this? A friendly? Oh, friendly. Oh yeah, that's 3 points. I guess. No news today. News tomorrow. I have your news on Wednesday. Thursday's alright. Unemployment claims. Friday's good as well. Okay. Okay. Why is it taking so long to... Oh, it's updating. That's why. Yeah, I should have a video coming out today, so I'll have that done. It's just, what is this? Discord shop. Who even spends money on this shit? What the hell? Clearly people do lo-fi vibes. I ain't got no clue. Let me jump on the Discord group. Anyway. Might as well just do a video now, don't I? So yeah, guys. Wait, look, what's the time? 3:22. Let me mark this down. Oh no, I don't know what fucking time in the stream I am. 30 minutes. Oh my god, what is it doing? So yes boys, we're back, and so today you can see we're in the first hour of the London session. Now obviously I'm not trading the London session anymore. I trade the, well, technically London session, but later on, literally the last hour of the London session. And I trade the New York AM macro time, which is basically 9:50 New York local time to 10+10. And so obviously that means that I'm not going to be trading this morning, but I'm still looking at, you know, how price is moving during the first hour of the London session. And then what I'll do is that throughout the day I mark out the different highs and different lows which haven't been taken out yet, which act as levels of liquidity, and I basically look for during those zones if price are basically which level price is respecting, and then I'll need to see a displacement, so a clear displacement where prices, you know, the candle's actually broken through it, it's not been whipped out, and then it should leave a fair value gap after that displacement, and the entry will have to be during that zone. It can't be 1 minute before, it can't be 1 minute after, it's got to be in that 20-minute window. And obviously if there's poor price action, then you look at an hour later, which is 10:50 to 11+10 New York local time. But that's only if price action for 9:50 to 10:10 was poor. But obviously the strategy does work for the London session, the first hour, which is where we're in now, 3 to 4 a.m. And then there's also the New York PM, which is, I actually don't know what time that is, but it's much later on. It'd be like near night time for me. And so yeah, it does mean though that Mondays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays I have 3 lessons which clash at the exact same time, which is very frustrating. So I'm gonna have to, I won't be able to record those days, that's the only problem. But I can record on Thursdays and Fridays, but I'm gonna have a meeting with my teacher to try and see if I can move those times around and if I can reschedule lessons, because it is very frustrating that I cannot trade at the same, I've got lessons clashing at the exact same time. All I want is to trade 20 minutes a day and it just clashes at the exact same time. So yeah, it's not great, but it is what it is. Gonna have to just deal with it. Now the Asia high has just been, well actually let's see if it gets swept or not. Sorry, wicked out. Either way, this Asia high has been taken. Let's chuck it on there. And there will be an equity edge video part 2 coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that because it is coming. I promise it is coming. Okay, so we've got a different correlation here with GU and EU. We've got different positions. So there's our Asia low, and that's going to be our Asia high. You just want to mark out different highs and lows. So we've got some buy side here, we've got some sell side here. I think GBUSD is moving cleaner, but then again, when I look at the chart, I've been looking at the charts last week, I thought GU was moving cleaner, but then in the end, Euro USD actually offered the better position, the better move, even. So yeah, let's do some journaling as well because I need to go back on that ASAP.
You've been told.
Say that again. Didn't hear it.
What is it, you're going to university, you're going to go get through Peter Simmons. Now you're going to really study hard, Ashner.
Yeah.
আমি তোমার এখানে বসে থাকবো।
Sick. God. Fucking long, bro. So we're actually sweeping here. Sorry, the space won't be. Alright, dog. Dog. Hey. Come. Jump up. Hey. Fuck, you know you're heavy now. This big dog. You're fucking heavy now, mate. What do you think's gonna happen today? What's gonna happen with you? Hey, look. What's gonna happen on the charts today? Yeah, good chat, good chat. I agree as well, I agree. Madness. What my camera all like? Hey, no, not my new Air Forces. She was going after my Air Forces, boys. Wait, let me show you, hang on. They're fresh as fuck. She was going around trying to chew on them. Oh, wait, let me show you. Right, these are as white can get. Look at them. Fresh. Not even worn yet. But I'm copping some crease protectors for them, so, you know, obviously to protect them from the crease. But yeah, alright, it looks like London is pushing to the upside now. So then what that means is I can see what's doing for the morning, and then come New York AM at 9:50, we can start to see if we're gonna have a market structure shift or if we're just gonna continue. But what we basically look for is during that time is to either see London have a pullback, get in on that, and then it continues to rally, or we're going to see a market structure shift and then get in on that and price just starts to dump. Because it's like how a lot of people say you have Asia, which what am I talking about? Asia, which accumulates, London, which manipulates, and New York, which Bruv, have I got it wrong? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. There we go. Then New York just distributes, which I'm starting to see now. You can literally see last week. If we go to last week's, where I took them dubs. I don't think I actually took this trade. No, I didn't. This was the one I took. So you see here. So this is obviously the Asia session. So this is a bit of Sydney, and we got Tokyo, and we've just got some consolidation, just straight accumulation. And then after that we have London, which starts to come in, and then we're manipulating somewhat to the downside, and then we have that rally to the upside, and then we have that market structure shift. And that's where I go in deeper on the 1 minute. As you can see here, I'm marking out. Oh, for fuck. Where have I gone? Where am I? I've lost it. Right, let me replay this. So if you look here, we've got, I marked out all these different highs. So you see, from here, this is where we took the first win, the first dub on Monday. And so we've got these different levels still waiting to get taken out or respected. And then the next week, the next day, we respected the same high. So you can see we've got equal highs. And I've seen this before. After an equal high, you know, at a nice position, it's gonna be a big dump off. So I was very confident about this trade, so I got in on it, respected the level, and then you can see on the 1 minute time frame that it was a really nice position, and it's just continued to dump. And on TradingViews being very strange. Oh no, it's just really slow. There we go. See that first. So yeah, I only got 2 viewers right now, so I appreciate you boys. But I'm hoping we can start to grow it back up again, because at one point I literally had like 10 viewers. 10 viewers for the whole stream, for like our whole stream, and that was great. I was at the most I ever hit. But obviously going on holiday just sort of fucked everything up. But it's not an excuse, but it did ruin a lot of consistency. I really did not want to go on that holiday, to be honest. And I was uploading literally every single day. But that's what I'm going to try doing now. Every single day upload, and then take like the Sunday off. But yeah, let's do some journaling as well. I'm not really journaling every day. I quite like, you know, just casually doing it. What I mean is that I feel like with trading you don't have to be like always 100% on it. Obviously when you're learning, I'm still learning, but when you're actually learning like what trading is. Bollywood Craze, hello sir, how's it going, bro? How you doing, my friend? So yeah, as I'm saying. Oh yeah, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome. Hope your day's going alright. Mine's just started. But yeah, as I was saying, I feel like trading's like one of them things you don't have to be at it 24/7. It's actually better not to be at it 24/7. But obviously when I was learning, that's literally all I was doing. I was just learning like, oh, what's the take profit, how does the stop loss work, and all that jazz. But now, because I know what, you know, most things mean, I've got my plan, I know what I need to do. It means I don't have to be in 24/7. General trades I take, I don't have to go over what I used to do is go over every single day and talk about what happened. I feel like, I guess maybe it is I'm trying to figure out if I'm just being lazy, or if I actually perform better when I'm not at it 24/7 and I only go in when I need to go in. But that means that for like 20 minutes I need to just be in the zone, or like 30 minutes before I'm just like completely locked in for that time. So what was that noise? Whatever. But my eyes look so dark right now. I need to get some sleep. But whatever. 0.5% is 100, and then 1% is 200. So we're risking no more than literally like 0.75%. Asia high has now been taken. Now we got new levels of buy side here. I don't know which one I like the most. Quite like this one. Oh shit. Yo, Lewis, what's going on, bro? How you doing? My bad, I was just reading something. Any possible trades you're looking at, or are you not going to trade on Monday? Well, I'll be looking to trade later on. I still don't know though, because I've got lessons which clash. Of course, as soon as I go off the stream, there's a fucking comment. Yeah, so I'm gonna look to trade for what am I talking about? What am I talking about? I'm gonna look to trade during the New York AM, so I wouldn't be trading this morning anyway. But I'm just looking at how London's moving right now. So I'm just watching it for the first hour, and then I'll log off, and then I'll obviously get on with my day, and then we'll be back online for the New York AM macro. Damn, bro, this video really blew up. 11.4, it's still getting views. I made this video a month ago, bloody hell. Time goes quick, doesn't it? Not even a month ago, like a month and a half ago. Wow. But yeah, I'm starting up live streams again. I'm not gonna slack off anymore. I might change my channel art as well. Maybe it needs a little bit of a revamp. Sounds good. When will you stream that NYAM? The only problem is I can't stream it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I can't stream it because I literally have 3 lessons which clash at the exact same time. I'll literally show you right now. Hang on. Let me put on a different tab because I'm not trying to bait my college. Hang on. Although I'm sure it'll be calm, but I'm just better at it because it might have some private info on there as well. I don't care if you know where I go to college, I just care about leaking my fucking parents' address. Alright, so if you see here, if you look right here, yeah, I've got 3 lessons in a row. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah. 250 to 440. 250 to 440. 250 to 440. And it's time my NYAM starts is 250. Tell me I'm not cursed. Tell me I'm not cursed. Obviously Thursday and Friday is free, but Friday is a bit of a shit day to trade anyway. So my only decent trading day is Thursday. And obviously last week I was able to get those 2 dubs because I had a bank holiday, and then I didn't have any lessons this day, so I was able to just trade. But now I've got my shitty lessons back on. It's a bit tough, so I've got a meeting this week and I'm gonna try and reschedule my lessons so it doesn't clash. Because that's why my teachers were getting angry. I'm skipping lessons to go and trade. Because what this only does, yeah, is it puts pressure on for Thursday. Basically, I'm thinking like, shit, I need to take a trade this week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to. Obviously, I could just like, I could trade during the lessons, but I like being here at my desk in my room trading. I don't really like to be, you know, out and about. Maybe like in my school library I can when it's quiet. But not during a lesson where I've got to like do it on my phone under the desk and I've got to worry if like the teacher's gonna come or not. Ugh, it's just long. You know what I mean? It's such bullshit. But it's alright because after this week, I just got a firm this week and next week, and then from this Thursday I have a week off. I've got a half-term holiday, so that's alright. Then back to this shit. I haven't got a lesson Tuesday, so that's quite nice. Hey! Oh, we got tutor that early on for? Alright. Fucking hell. 9 o'clock. And then, okay, so I can trade. Okay, so that's a decent week as well. Yep, then back to normal. Great. That is really strange. And then it's just normal 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. I've got a firm 5 more weeks till I hit the summer holidays, and summer holidays will just be straight grind. It'll be grind every single day, apart from when I go on holiday. but obviously I'll still dish out streams and stuff for you guys. But yeah, then the summer holidays are just straight grind every single day. And I'm hoping that, after a while, like I've been on this funded for a while, but I think after a while it will be worth it. Now, all good for you. The NY session is at a weird time here in Australia. It starts like 8 p.m. Oh yeah, obviously that's later, but I mean at least you can trade it though, no? But then again, it is really late. I'd be wanting to go to bed around that time. But it's not like I'm trading the whole NY session. I'm only trading 20 minutes of it, and it just so happens 3 of my lessons clash at the exact same time. So that's the frustrating bit. The summer grind's gonna go crazy, exactly. Although I'm going on 2 family holidays, like obviously I'll be going on holiday, but people are gonna be out every single day. I'm gonna be in here grinding, not showing up for every single trading session, streaming every single day. Obviously I'll go out and enjoy a little bit of time, but it's just gonna be gym, make money, and trading. Because obviously we ain't 100% profitable yet on this, but I'm really hoping this is gonna be a good summer. Literally a year ago today was when I found out about trading and all that, and I started learning. It's really nice watching those old snaps, because thinking like that I had no knowledge back then, and I was just learning. And that was a great summer as well. I absolutely loved it. That summer I was just grinding inside and just, learning about trading. And now this summer I can really take it to the next level. It really shows what a year can do, And it wasn't even like, obviously I've been grinding like most of every single day, but it's not like I can definitely go way harder. I've definitely got so much more in me. But it just shows with consistency of just a year how far you can go. And I'm hoping now that I'm streaming again, get the daily videos out again. The only thing is, like, the only reason why I don't really upload on daily is because back when I used to upload like literally every single day, the videos weren't like great. I want them to be entertaining. Do you know what I'm saying? I want them to be entertaining for people to watch and be like, yeah, that's cool. I don't want them to be watching and be like, oh, this shit's boring, and switch it off. Because then they'll think the next one's going to be boring or the next one's going to be boring. So I want everyone to have a high expectation that this is going to be a good, entertaining video. So yeah. But that's the thing, like, although I may feel that, I'm obligated to trade during these times and schools clashing, I don't exactly have to. Because, a few trading days or a few trading weeks aren't going to dictate my whole career, is it? And it's better I just take the time, keep patience, and wait for the actual weeks where I can focus and it'll be sorted. Crazy, you've done so much in a year. Imagine next year and the next year you could be profitable and also have your channel monetized. That's the dream, bro. That is the dream. That is the dream. And I appreciate your support as well, Lewis, man. Sound guy. I know quite a few people now from Australia. I like the Australians. You lot are calm. I enjoy doing it. So what it's done is given me a purpose in life. I didn't know before, like a year ago. I didn't really know what I was doing or what I was gonna do. And now, being profitable and having the channel monetized would be gotta be a dream. And then what I would want to do is just stack up funded accounts, and then have like multiple channels. I'd try to have like 2-3 channels maybe. But once I hit like, I don't know, like 800 subs or maybe like 700 subs, I need to invest into more equipment, like a proper mic, proper camera, because you lot can probably see this one's a bit blurry. Although on my OBS it looks crystal clear, but it's showing up on the stream as quite blurry. And I just stream off the software on my laptop. I need to get like a proper PC. So that's what I'll next be going for. I'm literally just waiting for when I can upgrade all my equipment, and then it will be like, you know, proper stuff, and then invest into some good editing software as well. Because you can probably see, like, you know, if we look at I'm slowly just upgrading it all, you know. If you look here, so these are obviously like my old thumbnails. I'll just have like half of me and then just the trading screen, or, you know, but then then from here I just switched it up and tried to make it look more appealing. So, but it's still like not, you know, 10 out of 10, is it? I'm trying, right? I'm trying, but it takes time. It takes time to learn. And then yeah, I'll probably change the channel art as well. Although this is pretty cold, I'll maybe change it. And what I'll do when I'm on holiday, yeah, is I'll live stream off my phone, and I'll do what, like, I don't know if you guys know HS and Ed Matthews and that, but I'll just go on absolute madness on holiday and just live stream it for you boys, and you can just watch and whatever. That would be class. I'd really enjoy that. I don't know where we're going this summer. I was gonna go on a boys' holiday, but they either don't have the money or their parents aren't allowed, so there's not much I can do, and I'm not gonna go on a holiday by myself, am I? Just a tad bit sad. But yeah, Chelsea played yesterday as well. Absolute cracking game. I don't want the music to be too loud. There you go. But yeah, man, I'm in a bit of a war with my family and school. Basically, I'm just doing this and not really. But the thing is, yeah, I feel like really sort of like guilty sometimes, because I'm just laying about, not doing anything. I'm failing at school. I'm not really, you know, the channel's growing, but obviously I'm not making money from it. I'm not making money from trading, and it just feels like I'm not really going anywhere right now. But I think I just need to keep trusting in what I'm doing. Because right now I just feel like I'm going down like a bummy path. But they don't see it how I see it, so all these negative comments coming in saying like, oh, you're not gonna have anything to fall back on. What if it doesn't work out? What if it does work out, bruv? What if it does? And you know, I'm at least I'm doing something I'm happy I'm doing. I just wish they actually saw it from my perspective and be like, because if it weren't possible to make a living from this, then like, obviously I wouldn't be dropping school for it, but I don't know, what do you boys think? girls even, if there's girls in there. So we've got GU moving bearish now. And EU is selling from a top. So price would have displaced right here originally. And then if we and then what I would have done is entered on the first fair value gap, but obviously, you know, not during the time zone I want to. The thing with I don't like about the first hour of the London session is that you know, it's such a big widespread hour, so much can happen, is that I feel like there's more of a high probability that I lose. Well, it is, as you've seen. But with the New York macro time, yeah, it's just a 20-minute window. And if I see all the confluences, there's a high probability that if it's during that one 20-minute zone out of a full 24 hours of a trading day, you know, there's a high chance it's gonna be a winner. And if I'm just constantly looking for positions in that time zone, it don't matter if I lose some, you know, even if I win some, you know, I mean, sorry, it doesn't matter if I lose quite a lot, the wins will cancel it out. And not every single one, if I stick to the plan, every single trade is not going to be a loser. But I just need to capitalize on those winners. I have the same problem my parents were raised to think that you have to do well in school to succeed, when now there are thousands of traders who have made it financial and have financial and location freedom. Exactly, bro. Like, it's not, obviously it's not their fault, you know, it's a completely different generation. So I can see why they can't see it, but it's so frustrating because they think that I'm young, I don't know what I'm talking about. But when realistically, they don't know what they're talking about either. They think that they can talk on trading and all this shit thinking they know what they're talking about. No, you don't. You just don't. You have no idea what you're talking about, you know? They say like, I can't remember what my parents were saying to me the other day. They were like, oh, how are you going to pay for this? How are you going to pay for that? And, which is fair. I mean, if I get kicked out of the house, I'm fucked. Obviously, I'd have to figure something out. This summer, I'm just going to focus on making a lot of money as well. Like, I have like a few thousand to my name. That's about it. And obviously, you know, I live with my mum, so obviously bills and that are paid for. But then when that comes into account and I've got that to pay for, then obviously it's not a lot of money. It will go in a matter of days or weeks even. So, you know, if I'm not gonna go to school, and yeah, man, like they think it was just a completely different time, wasn't it, Lewis? Like you gotta go to school and that. Obviously, school offers great opportunity, and it can be really enjoyable. But obviously, for a lot of people, it isn't. You know, there's billions of people on this earth. Not everyone's gonna think school's great and they're gonna go through school. And then you've also got to think to yourself, school cannot be the only way to do it. There's always other ways to do it. But it's just about if you're willing to take that risk. And another thing my parents also say is like, well, a lot of my family, they're like, oh, everyone else is doing this, why don't you do it? Like, why should I have to follow the crowd? And they're also like, you know, most traders fail. Or like, oh, if it's so easy, then everyone would be doing it and being a millionaire. Well, that's the thing. It like, not everyone's cut out to do this shit. They don't spat on my desk a bit. Not everyone's cut out to do it. The thing is, everyone can do it. It's just, have you got the heart to stick at it and be willing to lose thousands. And I think what the toughest part is going to be is that I just have to have trust in myself, because I, for maybe the next few years, I'm not profitable. I'm just going to be seen as a failure. No qualifications to my name. Not making money from trading. Maybe my channel still hasn't, really taken off. And so from there, people are going to be like, what is he doing? What is he doing? But I think we all just have to have trust in each other, you know what I'm saying, boys? You just got to have that trust. And in the next few years, like, boys, if you're started now and you're in your early 20s, early teens, we've got so much time. But it is going to seem like for a while that I'm going to be like a failure, innit? But I think the things that keep me going is when I see people, on Insta. Maybe it is flashed a little bit, but, they've got all these Lambos and all that shit, like nice villas in like Thailand. You just gotta keep going, bruv. Sorry, I don't mean to be waffling, but I've missed these little talks on the live, and I think it's good to just get it out, because it's just been stricken in my mind for the last few days. And obviously I'm a bit disappointed, because my family want me to do well in school. I would have loved to do well in school and do trading at the same time, but I just don't. It's just not possible. Or maybe it is, but for me it isn't. I can't focus on what I've learned now. Is that I can't focus on the two different things at the same time. It's just too much. And what they don't get is this isn't like a side thing you can do. This is a full job, and it's not to be fucked about with. You can lose so much, or you can make so much. It's a proper profession. I don't think they get it. And they think it's all fluke as well. That's the thing which really pisses me off. They think it's all fluke and just luck. but sell high, buy low. Yeah, cheers for the advice, mate. Cheers. But yeah, so I'm just going to plan out what I'm really going to do. So what's the date today? Today's Monday the 13th. So let me go back to May. So this is my college planner. So 13th. I just don't know if I want to risk trading during lesson, because I have to literally be under my desk and hiding my phone. And it's on my phone as well. I hate trading on my phone. I have to be hiding it under my desk, being like, oh shit, I hope my teacher don't see. And she always comes round and starts watching my screen. Like, I beg you, piss off. Let me do what I want to do. Yeah, you're getting paid at the end of the day. Just leave me alone. And so I don't really want to risk it, because I'll be rushing it. I used to do that a lot in my early months of trading. Literally just lapping in trades during lesson. I can't check it because either the connection's really shit or my teacher's nicking my phone off me. So it is a risky one, and I could switch to trading, do London AM, but I want to stick to what works for me. And these 3 days aren't going to dictate my trading career, is it? And then there's a big chance that, maybe Thursday isn't a trading day, or Friday isn't a trading day. So yeah, I'll at least have 2 good trading days to do it. So that's 1 week I can't. This week I probably won't either. then I'll have half term, so that'll be nice. I'll be able to have half term to trade that. And then on June, Monday I won't have, and then I'll have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that's nice. And then for 5 weeks straight, I'll just have to firm 5 weeks until the summer holidays. And then we can just get to the grinding. I'll literally do like 6-hour live streams every single day. I'm not even joking. How gas would that be? I'll just be streaming every single day, just absolutely grinding. Oh shit, we got a subscriber. Did I get the noti? IA23, appreciate the subscribe, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you. Respect, my bro, respect. We're 20 subs away from 700. To be fair, I haven't done a 600 subscriber like special vid because we hit it so quick. We literally hit it in like a space of like 2 weeks. So I didn't really get the chance. We hit 500 subscribers a month ago. And yeah, I've got to post more on my shorts as well. Shorts, TikTok, Instagram as well. I've got to do more on Instagram. I'm being too lazy right now. I'm just I need to really get on it, posting every day on the Insta, on the TikTok, because that will gain more attraction, and obviously just put all the effort into the YouTube as well. I think what a lot of people like about my trading content is that it's not that obviously I'm not the best trader, but it's that I keep it real, and that it's like relatable experiences, like when I lose my mind after losing a trade, or you know, or getting gassed over a winning trade, you know. I feel like people really relate to it. And what's happened really so far in this funded is that the start I was really hesitant, and I was making like really small profits. It was really small profits. Hang on. I think in some way you should try and post daily, even if you don't trade, because if you're unprofitable for 2 years, the channel can help you out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, true. I mean, even now, you know, I haven't posted the last 3 days. So what I'm gonna try to do is just post videos even if I don't trade. So I'll just have like a video idea. I was thinking of doing a video of like things that I struggle with as a 17-year-old unprofitable trader. I think that'll be a really good video. And what I've talked about now is just go into detail about that. So yeah, I think, what was I talking about originally? Right, what was I talking about? I completely lost my train of thought. I was talking about all my content. Yeah, so I think it's more relatable for people, because obviously there are more unprofitable traders than there are profitable traders. So I think it's a lot more relatable. And then I think I got a lot of respect. I got a lot of respect as well from trading live. So a lot of people don't trade live. And the reason why I haven't been trading live for the last 2 weeks is because when I was on that losing streak, I was like, fucking hell, man. Like, I just need to focus a bit on myself and just get it right. And once I get the confidence back, I'll start trading live again. But it is a lot of pressure trading live, you know. It is a lot of pressure. More than you'd think. But I think what is working. Why do I keep saying I think? I start every sentence. What is working out for me at the moment, and that I quite like, is that I'm spending time away from the charts. I'm not completely zoned in on it all the time. Do you know what I mean? Like, some people spend the whole day staring at the charts. That is not good for you. In my opinion, personally, it's not good for you. I'll actually go back and let's look at a video, like some of my first trading videos from the summer, last summer. Here it is. I don't know why my face cam was grey, but this was 10 months ago. I can't believe this is 10 months ago. July 11th. And this was what I'll be literally doing this summer. I was just in my room, locking in with trading. I was just, obviously this was demo trading. And look at my analysis. On the 5-minute time frame, three touches on the trend line. And then I'd wait for a trend line break and then a pullback to that break with the candle which broke. And then I'd enter like long, or if it was underneath, I'd under short. And like mate, look how much younger I look as well. Maybe because I had hair and I didn't have a little goatee. I mean, I can grow a full beard, but I just look like a terrorist, so I ain't trying to do that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grow my hair out and have it like either like slick back or like sort of like a parting kind of thing. But obviously, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because it is a tad bit short. But yeah, you can see it. I had to. What was I even doing? No, I think I'd actually enter short. I entered short here and then it went up. To be fair, it's not like, I guess it's not really a horrible strategy. It is technically a break and then a pullback. So, and there were a lot of things happening, you know, like when I used to be in a trade back when I wasn't, I was just starting out, and there'd be these random pullbacks and stuff. I'd be like, what the fuck is going on? Why is it gets to a certain point and there's a pullback? It's because I had no idea about like fair value gaps, the order blocks, liquidity, and stuff like that. I just had no idea. So so you can see here, like this is got a liquidity level here. So I actually don't remember what happened the rest of this, but it's likely this then came back down and then formed like a lower low and then went back up again or whatever. I don't know, but I think I had another one as well. I did have a few trading videos with my mates, but they were just like swearing their heads off and just saying some crazy shit, like stuff that cannot be on YouTube. So I had to private those videos. Yeah, then these are all my old ones when I was gaming and that 3 years ago. It's crazy. Like, I was literally posting like Fortnite videos, Star Wars, 5 years ago, and then 5 years later, I'm doing trading and stuff. But yeah, also follow up the TikTok and Instagram if you haven't already. My main Instagram is in the bio of this one, and I'm more active on that than actually this one. I might try to grow that one more than the Forex one because I have more followers on there. So I feel like it would gain more attention. So yeah, follow those up if you haven't already. And yeah. Banging. What's everyone's plan for the rest of the day? How are you all feeling about the summer as well? The weather, the sun's out. Actually, I don't know if the sun's out right now. Let me go check. Okay, the sun isn't out, but at least it ain't raining. In England, it's always raining, so if it isn't raining, then that's a good day in itself anyway. This week would have been such a good week to trade as well, because we literally have no news. I have no news which clash. I mean, at least Thursday and Friday are clean. I mean, we've got unemployment claims, 20 minute. No, not even. No, it's 2:50. What am I talking about? So yeah, Thursday's clean, and Friday is clean as well. But what I'm gonna do is after the trading days is go over the macro zone where I usually trade, and if there's a position that I would have taken, then I'll sort of like term that as like a trading day and think like, right, so if I'd won this trade that day, I'm gonna trade this day, then I wouldn't be trading for the rest of the week. So maybe it's best I think of it like that. You know what I'm saying? Because not every day is gonna offer opportunities, and when I'm not there, I don't want to not be there for when there's trading opportunities. So if there's an opportunity today and tomorrow when I'm not able to be there, but then I don't want to be getting caught out on Thursday and Friday where I can trade and there's no opportunities there, but I still somehow force a trade in. So I need to keep that aware, because not every day is gonna offer opportunities. Well, solid opportunities. But yeah, we've been streaming for about an hour and a half. I gotta get into college in about an hour, so I'm gonna go have a shower and stuff, and then have some breakfast because I haven't eaten in like half a day. I don't know why. I just couldn't be asked to eat. So yeah, then I'm gonna go gym. So I hope you boys have enjoyed the stream today. If you have, then make sure to tune in tomorrow and the day after and the day after and the next few months after, because we're not gonna stop. I might even start streaming like for even just an hour or like half hour on like Saturday or Sunday. Actually, nah, maybe not, because there's not really much to trade in it. At least if I'm trading on a trading day, then you guys can see the markets and that. And then in the summer, I'll obviously be able to trade. I'll be able to stream the whole day and just show you guys the actual macro zone. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the stream today, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Actually, I'll be uploading today as well, so don't worry, an upload will be coming today, so don't you worry about that. I've literally got like videos from the past few days, so I've just been recording what I've been getting up to. I was at the Chelsea game on the weekend, so I got a little clip of that. So yeah, hope you boys have enjoyed, and see ya. Bro, why is it not stopping? Stop streaming. Okay, there we go. Alright, bye. I'll see you later.